So, on my 100th episode of Interviews with Entrepreneur Show, I got the chance to interview Russell Brunson on the podcast. And the very last question I asked from him was how he's planning to retain his legacy before he's gone. And his answer was amazing. He was talking about like how he's planning to buying so many old books and also trying to revive legacies of the people out there who were the dominating figures of our time, but most of us never even heard about them. So that is the exact mission of him, and that's why he's spending millions of dollars buying so many old books and publishing it, building a library so that he can share it with the people like us. So, guys, what's up? RJ here, back in this video, and in this video, we're going to be talking about the upcoming project on which Russell Brunson is working on, which is called Secrets of Success. We're going to talk about what it is, what it's all about. So let's go to screen. So as you can see right now, this is a Secret of Success page where he's talking about like his upcoming or he's doing a launch on October 19th at 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is known as the Secrets of Success MIFGI launches. So in this launch, he's actually trying to do is like so many books that he have bought and spent millions of dollars. One of the book he spent almost $1.3 million to buy that first edition book by Napoleon Hill. So like he spent a lot of money, not only just to acquire that information or just to attain those information, but now he's going ahead and providing all of us this information at almost no cost compared to like what he actually bought with. So he's actually launching this new venture of Secrets of Success, in which he will be like giving all of these courses, content, stuff like these that is already been successful in the past of their time, and now how we can use it and how we can leverage it and like make it work out for us. So the very first thing that he's planning to send to the people who actually sign up for the actual launch that's happening on October 19th, and also like the people who want to become an affiliate, there's a special bonus from both of sides, from my side and from ClickFunnels side as well. So be sure to stick to the end. So one thing is they're providing right now for the people who's going to sign up on the launch is this box, which will include first Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill, but based off Russell Brunson's additional updates to it, and also he also written the forward of that book. Not only that, but also two other unpublished books, that Napoleon Hill books that would never been published, that was set as a draft, probably like 80, 90 years ago, something like that. So those books never been published. Russell bought that book, spent thousands or millions of dollars just to get those books so that he can provide us those books for maybe just sort of like a minimal cost. So that's the very first thing that most of the guys are getting, like anybody who's gonna bought this on a launch itself. So if you don't know about ClickFunnels backstory, like ClickFunnels have build on these successful affiliate programs, right? In the past almost 9 years, they have paid over $100 million in affiliate commissions. And I've been lucky enough to promote ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels affiliate commissions actually not only changed my life, but also catapult my journey. And I was trying to figure out how to make money online in this internet marketing world. So I was wondering, but somehow I landed inside of ClickFunnels world, which helped me to make my first affiliate commissions and also led me to make these, multi-six-figure business. So that's the exact same thing for you is. So as you can see right now, there are so many info on the page talking about right now you have this opportunity not only to become an affiliate, but also recruit your tier 2 affiliate as well. If you don't know the backstory, like ClickFunnels, when it was launched, ClickFunnels had a tier 2 affiliate program, and that's the exact same strategy they're trying to use even on the Secrets of Success MIFGI launch as well. So you have the ability to recruit your tier 2 affiliate partners as well, and you can get paid 10% lifetime commission on all of their sales, which is absolutely amazing. If you find out great affiliate marketers and if you can recruit them under your, I would say, downline or under as a second tier affiliate, you have high likely chances to make a lot of other commission on the side. So the actual launch is happening on October 19th, and for the people out there who's gonna become a subscriber, they're gonna get this box for free, and they will cover the cost of the shipping. And it's for those people who's gonna buy this on the actual launch, which is happening on October 19th, and then it's gonna be $97 a month for those people. So you're gonna get paid almost like $40 per month per member, so which is actually like a 40% commission. So as I mentioned earlier, you're going to get Think and Grow Rich and also two unpublished books from Napoleon Hill. Not only that, if you can see right now over here, all of the successful authors back in the day with guys like Samuel Smiles, Orson Swett Marden, the person who actually started Success Magazine, and so many other amazing authors or personal development experts who actually started this concept of personal development. Russell actually curated not only the content but also how converted into the video side of it, or audio side of it, so that it becomes easier for us to consume. All of it is going to be inside of the members area. So also the phase 3 in the future is going to be the Think and Grow challenge. After that, like after it gets launched, stuff like that. So right now you have the chance to become an affiliate. And if you sign up under my link to become an affiliate, so that, you become a tier 2 affiliate of mine. So if you're going to sign up through my link in the description down below, also in the comments pinned section, what I will do for you is, like, I have a paid course which is called as High Ticket Show Accelerator, where I teach people how to create, grow, and monetize your business using High Ticket Show. In that, I have a very important module which is called Interview Secrets, where I shows about bits and pieces of what you need to know about starting your interview show, how to ask these questions, how to research, how to make sure everything is in the right place. So anybody who's going to be signing up as an affiliate under my link and become an affiliate through it, anybody who's going to buy the product on a launch day, I would love you to provide my course module as a bonus for free. Have them sign up, let me know their email, and I will add them into the system so that they will access these. They will access the module itself. Because here's the thing, I got the opportunity not only to interview Russell Brunson, but also over $2 billion worth of entrepreneurs with some of the category kings in the marketplace by me being here in Pakistan as 23, 24-year-old guy. When I started, I was 19 or 20, and I was able to figure out like how to actually been able to communicate with so high level entrepreneurs. So if this is something out there that you're actually looking for as an add-on on top of your bonus stack for Secrets of Success, then be sure to sign up as an affiliate. Also, let me know on Facebook or Instagram as well, like, hey, I've signed up, so that I can make sure like everything is correct. So yeah, that is the whole thing is about. I'm so excited. The launch is happening on October 19th. So you have right now the chance to not only become an affiliate, but also start promoting it and have more people into your downline as well. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below and in the show notes, and I will see you guys in the next one.